In a groundbreaking move for both electric vehicle fans and classic car enthusiasts, Electrogenic has unveiled a drop-in electric conversion kit for the iconic Mazda MX-5 Miata. This innovative kit enables owners of older MX-5 models to transform their beloved roadsters into fully electric vehicles, and remarkably, the conversion weighs less than the 2025 Mazda Miata RF. This achievement marks a significant leap forward in the world of automotive electrification, providing a fresh, eco-conscious twist on a legendary classic. The Mazda MX-5 Miata has long been celebrated for its lightweight construction, sharp handling, and timeless appeal. Known for delivering a pure driving experience, the Miata has earned a devoted following among driving enthusiasts. Now, thanks to Electrogenic's conversion kit, the dream of an electric MX-5 is becoming a reality. What sets this conversion apart is its ability to not only preserve the Miata's signature lightness but also enhance its performance, maintaining the spirited driving dynamics that fans know and love. This is particularly impressive given that many electric conversions add weight due to bulky battery packs and motors. That Electrogenic's electric conversion kit actually weighs less than the 2025 Mazda Miata RF, a car designed as a modern, high-performance version of the Miata, demonstrates the company's remarkable engineering capabilities. Through careful component selection and optimization of battery placement, Electrogenic has preserved the car's agility, ensuring that the handling characteristics of the MX-5 remain intact. The result is an electric Miata that delivers the same nimble, responsive driving experience as its gasoline counterpart. The conversion kit features a custom-designed battery pack and electric motor that fits seamlessly into the MX-5's existing chassis. This integration is key to maintaining the car's balance and handling, ensuring that the electric powertrain doesn't disrupt its performance. The electric motor delivers instant torque, providing a smooth and thrilling driving experience. While the traditional MX-5 is known for its rev-happy four-cylinder engine, the electric motor provides ample power, making the converted Miata just as fun to drive, if not more so. In addition to performance, the environmental benefits of this conversion are significant. Converting an older MX-5 to electric power helps reduce its carbon footprint, cutting emissions while improving overall energy efficiency. With growing concern about climate change, Electrogenic's conversion kit offers Miata owners a way to keep their cherished cars on the road, while embracing a cleaner, more sustainable future. The drop-in nature of the conversion kit makes installation straightforward, with minimal modifications required to the car's original frame or structure. The battery pack, electric motor, and associated electronics are designed to fit seamlessly into the MX-5's existing spaces, making the process relatively simple and reversible. For owners who may want to return the car to its original state, this flexibility is a key advantage, allowing for a non-invasive conversion that preserves the vehicle's original integrity. Another advantage of the electric MX-5 is its lower maintenance requirements. With fewer moving parts than an internal combustion engine, the electric version demands less upkeep, offering long-term savings on maintenance and fuel. The instant torque of the electric motor also means that the car feels quicker off the line, providing an exhilarating driving experience with each push of the pedal. Electrogenic's conversion kit is compatible with a wide range of MX-5 models, from early 1990s iterations to more recent versions. This broad compatibility makes the kit an attractive option for a wide range of Miata owners who want to keep their cars relevant in an increasingly electric world. The kit also offers customization options, allowing owners to retain the unique look and feel of their classic MX-5 while benefiting from the latest electric vehicle technology. While the cost of the conversion kit may vary depending on the model and features selected, Electrogenic's offering presents a competitive value for those looking to electrify their classic vehicles. Given the potential savings on fuel and maintenance, many Miata owners may find it a worthwhile investment to breathe new life into their cars while reducing their environmental impact. In conclusion, Electrogenic's drop-in electric conversion kit for the Mazda MX-5 Miata represents a brilliant solution for classic car lovers who want to embrace electric mobility without sacrificing the performance and handling that make the MX-5 so beloved. Weighing less than the 2025 Miata RF, the conversion proves that electric cars can be lightweight, fast, and fun, all while reducing their carbon footprint. As the automotive industry continues to move toward more sustainable solutions, Electrogenic's innovative kit paves the way for the future of electric classic cars, combining modern technology with timeless driving joy.